stop encouraging me to spend money.
He already spent the money, and he already has the, you know, Fantasias.
Dude, once I use a Fantasia again, I'm not going back.
Fucking hell.
Just do it. You can just change it for a day or two, and then you change it right back with another one that you have.
What's the fucking point?
I mean, you changed 3 times one day.
Yeah,
so,
because I was literally I was supposed to change once, and then you guys were like, nah, I don't like that one, and then you were like, I felt peer pressured into changing.
I know no such thing.
Oh yeah, sure. I have a picture where it's literally just you, Rowan, Sybil, Essa, and Kazuma all crowded around me, like pointing at me. I have the proof. You cannot deny that you peer pressured me into changing into a Lalafell, then changing back into Girl Mizmi.
Okay, I told you to stay at, you know.
Yeah, I didn't want to be a Lalafell.
Then you're not peer pressured then.
Yay, we killed the thing with ball sacks on its face.
I've gotta say, I don't at all regret swapping to Aura.
What
were you originally?
I was a bunny girl.
Ugh.
I liked it. I could never get something to look good, you know?
Because no hats?
Yeah. It's fucking annoying.
Hey look, it's
384 1,000 point. And I'm level 58 now.
Da 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 da!
I only have to do like 11 more of those. I have a friend request.
From who?
Whomst the fuck? Like, actually, though, who?
Okay,
Whomst the fuck?
Unable to retrieve. I can only decline.
You can only decline.
I can't accept it.
Why are you even thinking of accepting it?
Because, I mean, it might have been that gladiator that we were harassing.
What's his name?
God, I don't remember.
No, what is the name of the person?
Oh, it's not telling me because online status unknown.
Add them and see who it is, and then immediately unadd them.
It won't let me. I'm clicking on it and it just says decline. Waiting for friend list approval. I fucking wish.
Oh my god, Naya.
You wanna just repeat these first 10 levels like 11 times?
Mizmi just looks so pissed off right now. Mizmi always looks so pissed.
I always think he either looks brainless.
Brainless!
Like genuinely, sometimes he looks like he's staring off into space.
I mean, you're
or
not...
he looks depressed and scarred.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Mizmi has seen some shit. Hello. We're just gonna keep staring into it. Oh no!
I don't know why I find that so entertaining.
It's very entertaining.
So are we gonna continue, or are we gonna, like... I don't know. Whatever. Commence!
Commence! What are you slapping?
My thighs.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, right now Mizmi just looks like he's staring off into space.
He remembers the war. They were in the trees. The fucking Wheeze Master! Holy shit! That fucking Wheeze, bro! Oh my fucking god.
Oh.
Oh shit. Ugh. Get your ribbit ass over here.
What are you doing to me?
Plop.
I feel sexually assaulted
Plop.
right now.
Oh well.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, it sounded like an old vacuum. Oh god. Oh, I swear I'll never get another wheeze like that.
No, you probably will. Make me laugh hard enough and I'm gonna wheeze.
God, stop dying! How much do you smoke? Fucking hell.
Oh.
I sent you the female Rogan that I was talking about.
What? Wait, you talking about me?
No, I'm
Oh
talking
my
about
fucking
you.
god.
Wait. Let me see.
Oh, it's fucking horrific.
Let me see it now. Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
And now, fun fact, I don't even smoke.
No, I know.
Oh god, I want to see this monstrosity.
Yeah. Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Scary. Ooh, that's a real scary. Okay.
Real nasty. Victory? Question mark?
Killed the frog. Killed the frog.
Crap, Brave.
The frog is what you're killing, though.
But frog is gonna kill me.
No.
Thank you.
Da-da.
Fluid aura. He's
Fluid
fully
aura.
resistant. God damn it! I can't make him into a fluid.
You actually use Fluid Aura? Huh.
What?
That's amazing. I never knew that somebody actually used Fluid Aura.
It's like literally one of the like 10 moves I have right now.
Purple energy.
Purple energy.